Let's learn how to stop being added to groups on Instagram. If you want people to be unable to add you to groups on Instagram but don't know how to enable this option, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. After opening Instagram, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page where your profile is located. This page will open when you click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once this page opens, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to scroll down until you reach the section, How Others Can Interact with You. When you reach this section, you'll see several options, and you need to click on the first one, which is Messages and Story Replies. When you click on that option, a page with a few options will open. You need to click on the first option, which is Message Controls. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on Who Can Add You to Group Chats. When you click on that, a page with 2 options will open. You need to set it so that only people you follow can add you. To do this, select the second option and that's it. You've successfully set it so that not everyone can add you to groups. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.